guys, it's BJ7, and today I am doing a tutorial video on how to cancellate your COBENs. This is mainly for me on YouTube. I didn't want to explain it in one large comment for him, so I'm just doing a tutorial video so that all of you can learn it. Anyways, what you wanted to do is go to Salon intro. Oh, oops, wrong video. Also, you can't hear the music because yeah. Anyway, you go to the source code of the Salon school board or leaderboard, and you go to chance of elimination and paste bin, and then you can copy that. After that, open up processing. After that,
maybe if we use this air freshener, it will smell.
Please don't move. Yeah, you know what? What the heck? What the heck just happened? You know what? I'm gonna redo it. It's good thing I have this. There we go. Anyways, so if you had 15 contestants left, and then we would do this.
That bubble is awesome. Okay, what is it? It's some tasty juice. Yum. I love juice. Look, we have some fruit. Let's open it up. Alright. Really tasty. Have you ever wondered why food tastes so good or so bad sometimes?
This it fell.
Because we have a mouth and you can taste things. That's one of our 5 senses. I love tasting things like juice and healthy fruit. Alright, let's go play some more. Let's go.
And then you see a blank base plate, but on the bottom you'll see some code.